First day of the week, it's Monday. We got a week started for the first years.
Oh, damn.
Nice.
Yo, Nico, hop in the vlog, bro. What are they doing?
They're trying to beat this other team right now and flipping over the thing without touching the ground. Look at this ingenuity there. Wait, guys, you guys are moving it a lot. You're moving. Someone took them over there. Oh, I see. You see, they tried to like shimmy it over. Oh, shoot.
How's your ice cream?
So good. Very good. Yummy. Med special.
What flavor is that?
Cotton candy and cereal.
Okay.
I was one of the O-Week leaders, so just helped run a bunch of the activities, which is a lot of fun.
Oh! Back from hitting a massive leg day and demolished this these peanut noodle meal prep and a protein shake.
Oh, look at Curry. Oh, man.
So now it's Tuesday, first day of lectures. Definitely not excited. Me and the boys are in the back just ripping some Clash Royale. And then we had this arts and crafts event, which was really cool.
How's the event?
It's going super well. Look at our little buttons.
Oh, wow.
Super amazing.
What do you have?
Wait, it's that way.
What does it say?
Ash for AshCon.
Oh, man. You can barely see it. You want to see some of the drip? Look at this. It's not focusing. Oh, my God. I got the nice.
Nice.
And like, such a crap helmet. I'm gonna like have to trim it. Yeah, look at this. Ooh. Fire. Danny, what do you got?
I got a 1 of 1 MB 2028 pin. Okay, wait, this is redeemed by.
That's where the party's at.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey.
I didn't make it.
You're in the vlog? You're in the vlog? You're in the vlog, man.
Shaza, huh? The IG vlog.
Is that supposed to be you?
No, man.
Nice.
That was a lot of fun. We also had a board game night and then karaoke event too. So a week had so many events. Honestly, it was such a sick week. Okay, so Wednesday comes around.
6-7 years old.
6-7!
And these teeth are trying to erect anybody representing themselves. But they're secure on their own.
Start off the day ripping some lectures at 2 times speed. And then I had a quick workout at the gym. And then end off the day with the boat cruise, which is honestly the highlight of O week for me. Okay, so now it's Thursday. We start the day with some morning classes. You already know I gotta hit a workout at the gym. And then we end off the day with a coffee house, another O week event. It was really nice, wholesome. Everybody was singing along. There's some really nice talent too. All right, so started off Friday with some morning lectures.
Prevention. So we have to try to prevent periodontal disease. If we can put the brakes on this, we can manage the presence of chronic inflammatory condition in the body. There can be obvious direct benefits to overall health, but of course.
We had this really awesome salsa event for O week too. I won't lie, I didn't know what I was getting myself into.
Come on, Shazam!
I hit the gym later that afternoon, a really brutal leg day. Then went home and made some food. And then we ended off the day with the Freedom Party, which is honestly like most people's highlight for a week. I had a lot of fun. It was a really good night. So we started off Saturday with the early morning bus ride to Montreal. I know it's our second time going, like me and the boys went last year for O week too, but it was still a really awesome trip. Saw more of the city, had some good eats. Of course, you already know I need some poutine. And then we did this sensory deprivation like seance simulation thing, which was really awesome. It's like a global tour, and they just happened to be in Montreal that weekend. And then we also climbed to the top of Montreal as well.
How are you liking Montreal?
It's a really nice place. I'm from Kuwait. It's so different and so French here.
Yep.
Whoa.
We're ending off the week with a chill Sunday. Just spent the morning chefing up a little bit, did some lectures, hit a little workout, and then went to play some beach volleyball with some of the first years, which was a lot of fun. We're on a comp volleyball team this year and just need to get some reps in before our first game.